Today's video is on the top 3 best dartboards for beginners. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Shot King, Regulation, Bristle Steel, Tip Dartboard Set. You are looking for a dartboard that can take hit after hit without wearing out? This one's got you covered. It's made from compressed sisal fibers, which heal over time. So, no matter how many times you hit the board, it'll always be ready for your next game. Perfect for steel tip darts too. What's even better is the circular spider wire. Made from galvanized steel, the spider wire, along with a staple-free bullseye, reduces those annoying bounce outs and deflections. Less frustration, more fun. And don't worry about size. It's the real deal. With a 17.75-inch diameter face, you're playing on the same size board that the pros use. So you'll feel like you're right there in a tournament. One of the coolest features is the rotating number ring. It's detachable so you can rotate the board as needed. This helps the sisal fibers heal even faster, giving your dartboard a longer life. Setting it up is a breeze. It comes with easy-to-use mounting hardware, 2 sets of darts, a throw line, and even a throw line measuring tape. Everything you need to get started in no time. So, are you ready to step up your dart game? Hit the subscribe button like it's your last dart in a tight game. Number 2, best overall professional dartboards by Wakefa. Looking to take your dart game to the next level? This professional regulation size dartboard might just be what you need. It's an official tournament size dartboard, measuring 18 inches in outer diameter and 1.5 inches thick. That means it's made to meet the latest standards set by the World Darts Federation, ODF. So you can feel like a pro whether you're in a tournament or just playing at home. One of the standout features of this dartboard is its self-healing sisal fibers. These aren't just any ordinary fibers. They're sourced from Kenya and are known for their unique ability to recover from punctures over time. This means that every time you throw a dart, the fibers close up around the hole, making the board more durable and extending its life. Whether you're setting this up in a bar, office, game room, or even your garage, you'll get plenty of use out of it without worrying about it wearing down too quickly. Plus, the self-healing feature ensures that it'll always look and feel as good as new, even after countless games. The design is more than just durable. It's also scientifically updated. The ultra-thin 60-degree angled wire is crafted to deflect darts right into the scoring area, minimizing those frustrating bounce outs that can ruin a perfect throw. Wakefa's latest upgraded series takes dartboards to the next level with its stunning design, innovation, and craftsmanship. It's part of their new generation lineup, which means you're getting cutting-edge technology wrapped in a sleek package. To top it off, the set includes 6 steel tip brass darts and mounting hardware, so you can start playing right away. It's a fantastic gift idea too, whether it's for dad, your boyfriend, a birthday, or even Christmas. You'll be ready to throw darts in no time. Number 1, our pick, Winmau Blade, 6 professional bristle dartboard. If you're into darts, you're going to love what the latest Blade series has to offer, the Blade 6 dartboard. This isn't just any dartboard. It's a beauty that combines cutting-edge design, superior craftsmanship, and Winmau's brand new 6th generation technology. It's designed to take your dart game to the next level. So what makes the Blade 6 stand out? Well, it's all about delivering top-notch playability, durability, and performance. The secret lies in its incredibly smart web design that features Winmau's density control wire. Now this might sound technical, but it's really simple. It's all about making sure the board has the perfect fiber density. This means your darts will stick better in key scoring zones like the doubles, trebles, and bullseye areas, giving you maximum scoring potential. And this isn't just marketing talk, it's so unique that it's got a patent pending. One of the coolest features of the Blade 6 is the ultra-thin wire. It's angled at 60 degrees to deflect your darts into the scoring area, so you'll have way fewer frustrating bounce outs. Plus, the bullseye and outer bullseye are reinforced with the same density control wire, and here's the kicker, they're 25% thinner than before. This gives you even more precision, especially in those crucial areas where every point counts. Worried about setting it up? Don't be. The Blade 6 comes with an easy-to-use Rotolock mounting system. This means it can fit on any wall, and you'll be able to start playing within minutes. No complicated tools or hours of setup time needed. It's that simple. For the more serious players, here's another detail you'll appreciate. The Blade 6 is made from the finest East African sisal. This is a high-quality material known for its durability, so it's perfect for even the most demanding players and environments. Whether you're playing casually or in a heated tournament, this dartboard is built to handle it all. And speaking of tournaments, the Blade 6 is professional tournament approved. It's made to the official specifications set by the World Darts Federation, so you know you're getting a board that's as close to the real deal as it gets. Oh, and before you go, don't forget to check out our video on the best dart sets. It's the perfect companion to the top tier dartboards and will complete your ultimate dart setup. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.